Welcome back to this brand new video coming back to you guys from Tageero YouTube channel, the number one affiliate marketing course where I'll teach you guys step by step how to start a successful affiliate marketing business. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe down below and also like this video if you find it valuable. I try my best to make video as short as possible. But again, if you guys need to again and invest in like crypto and forex, computer, internet, learn more. I cannot make it as short as possible. I mean, all these categories you can start promoting, and for most of us, we are in the e-business and e-learning, and also in the fitness niche. So I personally promote e-business and e-marketing because my niche is in e-business and make money. So if you have no niche, then I suggest you to start with e-business and e-marketing. Again, you need to do your own research before starting to promote. For example, if you come to the e-business and see that there's CP University, which is Clickbank University, which is the number one affiliate in the e-business and make money, where you'll be learning how to get commission and recurring and many stuff like tutorials, full training with e-marketing and affiliate marketing, then this tool is best. So if uh, you need to come to the e-business and you need to come to CP University and you need to start promoting. But for me, I've never promoted this product. I tried once, but then I haven't promoted as much because I've been promoting the 12-minute system, which is really good. And if you are new to affiliate marketing and you have a tight budget, then you should start with 12-minute affiliate system and learn from here. The guy who does this, who made this training, called Devon Brown. He's very successful affiliate marketing. He has been in the business since 2009. He knows what he's doing. And if you need this, you can get in the link in the description his course. But for now, what you have to do is you need to click affiliate page. Once you click the affiliate page, then there's a new pop-up will come where you will see all the tools that he's going to provide you, like affiliate links, swipe traffics, and many more. So now you came here and you want to promote. Again, So he's using ClickMagick, which I also highly recommend if you want to start with the affiliate marketing, to use these tools that I'm gonna provide you, like ClickMagick, Getresponse, and ClickFunnel, and all these tools are really good to start a successful affiliate marketing business. There's more than 3,400 people are promoting this. That means this product is really hot and you can start getting money. And also the product is very cheap. So the product is cheap, but there's high commission. There's many OTOs that you can get, that people can sign up for. So now, once you've came and you made your research and you have seen, these are the things that you'll be know that how you could get money from. In the front end, there's $9.95, 50% commission. Then there's an OTO, which is also OTO number one, 39%, $39, and then there's another OTO that is $67, and there's $50 recurring commission that you could get. So that means this product is really good. Total price you could get from one person that sign ups under your link, it's around $70. All right, now that we have chosen our product that we want to promote, then we will need to go to ClickFunnel. ClickFunnel, it's a sales page and landing builder, and it's very good tool and very easy. It's a drag and drop that you can use for your affiliate products. Like for example, we have built this funnel where we need to collect leads. It's also called a bridge page. It's also called a landing page. It's also called a squeeze page. All right. So it's kind of different between squeeze and the others, but you still get the point. So you have this. Then what you have to do is you write something like get training on how to make under, or something like this, and then you will need to get your link, which is you click promote. Once you click promote, then you will land up in a page where you can get your hop link, you generate your hop link, and you can copy the hop link to into your ClickFunnel. All right, we have got our hop link and we have pasted it in the on submit. Again, you go to settings, general, and then on submit, go to, then you click, you enter or you paste your hop link, and that's how you do it. On the integration, you need to connect your get response here. So you will get the get response, and then before that, once you have pasted your get response here, then you will end up with the automation. Again, you need to make an automation. Automation means it's a set and go thing, where whenever someone's subscribed to your list, which is the ClickFunnel list that you have built it, then they will be subscribed in this automation. Then they will be end up in a sequence that you can send them daily emails, from 5 emails to as long as you wish. You can write 30 emails, and again you will get those emails from the 12-minute system. Once you add them, you will end up with, for example, here there's a funnel one, which is the pizza system. Again, the pizza system, it's something that he's going to explain to you. Devon Brown is going to explain to you what is it. So it's, I guarantee, I assure you, I want you guys to watch his sales pitch so you understand what he's talking about. All right. Once you understand it, then you will know, once you make your own research about the 2-minute affiliate system. Again, I'm going to leave you guys a link to watch. If you're interested to join, also you can join down in the description, the 12-minute system. Uh, that's how you could do. Now you have these swipes, which is also called an email marketing swipes. You will be getting from the Google Drive that he's going to provide you, which again, you on the affiliate and swipes, you come down and then you click here, you will end up with the swipes. So now we are at the swipes. Here you will find many swipes, and you can like email one, email two, email three until email eight. Then you will need to add them to like this. For example, you click send message, then you will have your emails like this. Prepare them into a sequence until like maybe 7 days, 8 days, until the emails that he provides you finishes. And that's how you do. Now, since we have done with the automation, what next we have to do? um, you will get your link once you have saved it. You will need to